Hi everyone, welcome to the Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a Mediterranean salad. It's called tabouli. Now I'm gonna show you what are the ingredients we need for the Tabuli salad. So first ingredients is burger, or you can call cracked wheat. Quarter cup of burger. I have some salt and pepper according to your taste. You can call spring onion too. And 1.5 of lemon. And I got the mint. This is one of key ingredients. And I got the cucumber. I have green chili and white onion, half white onion. And I got the 1 tomato, 2.5 cup of parsley. So I'm gonna cut the all ingredients and I'm gonna put it into the bowl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut the mint. So this is one of the key ingredients, but it's up to you. If you don't like the mint, you don't have to put the mint. So I'm gonna chop them very finely. And I'm gonna put the one white onion, or you can call it spring onion. Then I'm gonna slice into the smaller rings. So you make sure you cut them evenly. And then I'm gonna get the half of a cucumber. So I'm gonna slice them up now into the very small pieces. Now I'm gonna slice the green chili. Make sure you get the seeds off if you can't have the hot stuff. Now I'm gonna cut the onion into a really small piece. I'll show you a short way how to do an onion. So you make sure it needs to be really small. Now I'm gonna slice the tomato. But make sure when you slice the tomato, you get the seeds off from the tomato. If you leave the seeds of the tomato, the salad's gonna be watery. Cut into the tiny pieces. Now I'm gonna chop the parsley. This is the hardest part. So you make sure you get the all parsley and cut into the really tiny and evenly. I just want to give you a healthy option. So if you want to make the salad, make sure you wash them properly and let it dry. So that's how you make the salad, because salad, it's always a ready to eat food. So you make sure you wash it properly and to get the sands off and the dirt off. I have already done the prep, so it's ready to make the salad now. So I'm gonna show you how to make the salad. First of all, I'm gonna put the bagels. This is a 1/4 cup of bagel. And then you're gonna add the tomato, green chili, white onion, English cucumber, so green onion or spring onion, whatever you call, and mint. That is the main ingredient, it's parsley, so I'm gonna add the parsley. I'll put the salt and the pepper, 1.5 of the lemon juice. Make sure you squeeze them nicely. You can use the lime juice or lemon juice, it's up to you guys. So now I'm gonna mix the salad. Look at that, oh my god, look at, you can see the different colors up here. That's it's supposed to be. You see the different colors, so it looks nice. The smell is nice. The parsley smell is spreading up here. So this is ready to serve now. So now I'm gonna put into the serving bowls. That's how you make the Tabuli salad. Look at the color. You can find the Tabuli salad from the lot of supermarket these days. It's a Mediterranean dish. As I said, green chili, it's optional. It's up to you guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try this and then taste how it tastes like. Oh wow, oh so yum. It's so freshening up. It's really nice. A little bit spicy. It's giving numbness to my throat, and it's really nice. I love it. Hope you guys gonna love it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So I'm gonna see you with a different dish in a different video. Thanks, cheers, bye.